Hi guys, this is Natarajan. Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. First, let me convey my wholehearted thanks to all our viewers and supporters to run our channel successfully. In this video, we are going to see about triangle pattern. So what is triangle pattern? How to draw a triangle pattern? By drawing a triangle pattern, how to make profit? These are the things we are going to see in this video. So this is continuation of our previous video of support and resistance and trend line. If you understand how to draw a trend line, you will get so many pattern on the chart. Likewise, triangle pattern, channel pattern, falling wedge and rising wedge, double top which is M pattern, double bottom which is W pattern, cup and handle pattern. So these are the patterns we can identify in the chart. So once if you look at a chart, the imagination of pattern should come to your mind. That is important. Before moving into triangle pattern, one must understand the psychology of buyer and seller in the triangle pattern. Okay, now we have one presentation. Before moving into presentation, still if you not yet subscribe our channel, below there is a subscribe button. Kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, now we can move to presentation. So now we are going to see few charts and draw a triangle pattern. This is the first one is State Bank of India. See, this is State Bank of India one-day candle chart, and this is a period of almost February 2021. Okay, so one second. First, let me draw a triangle pattern. We have to choose trend line. Okay. For all the pattern, trend line is very, very important. This is the period of February 2021. Here you can see. Just I am connecting all the resistance point. Okay. And now I am again going to connect support line. Here you see. So this is called triangle. Okay. Now here we have to understand the concept of triangle or psychology of traders. Here you see this is actually a resistance line. For example, this you take, let us put it 400 rupees, okay? This is 400 rupees. And say for example, this is 380 rupees, okay? Sorry, 400, yeah, 380 rupees. And this is 340 rupees, and here the price was, let us put it 300 rupees. Okay. Likewise, this is the line of support. Okay. Here the buyers are standing 1, 2, 3. These are the areas. Okay. Let us put here it is the price. Let me change the color actually. Okay. Again the price is 250. Okay. Here the price is 250. And here the price is 280. Okay. And here the price is, let us put it 300. Okay. Here the issue is actually, here the buyers are putting more pressure to push up the market. You can see here. Here it is 250, here it is 280, and here it is 300 rupees. Okay, so this is a line of support, and buyers are putting more pressure to push up the counter, State Bank of India, and the counter is going upside 250, and here it is 280, and here it is 300. Okay, so likewise, sellers are putting more pressure to push down the counter, and they want to bring down the counter. Here the price was 400 rupees, and again here 380, 340, 300. So, as I told you, there is a battle between buyer and seller. The battle is going on, and the buyers are putting more pressure to push up the counter 250, 280, 300, and they are pushing the counter towards upside. Likewise, the sellers are putting more pressure. They want to bring down the market. So, they are putting more pressure to push down the counter. So, that is the reason why the prices were coming down. Here you see 400, 380, 340, 300, and there is a battle between buyer and seller. So end of the battle there should be a result, there should be a person winner. Here the buyer was a winners. Okay, so the battle is going on. End of the battle, the buyers won the battle. So the market has gone up from here. There is a breakout here in the resistance line, and the market went up till this stage. Okay, here I will show you. Here you see. So almost here the price was something around 333. Okay, from 333, State Bank of India, it has gone up to 450. Okay, so this is the triangle pattern. So we have to connect the support line and resistance line. This is called support line, and the buyers, we can understand the buyers effort. Here you see 250, 280 and 300. Sellers, likewise sellers, they have put more pressure to push down the counter 400, 380, 340, 300. This is the way of moving the market towards downside. And at the end of the episode, here you see the buyers have won the battle. So the market went up till 450. Okay, so this is the way one has to draw a triangle pattern. Okay, and let us go to next one. One second. First one we have seen State Bank of India. Let me remove all these things. Okay, next we are going to see about Tata Motors. So this is Tata Motors daily candle chart, actually historic chart, and Tata Motors we are going to see the triangle pattern. Here you see there is a triangle pattern. So I am going to draw a triangle pattern in Tata Motors. This is a historic chart of daily candle. Okay, so here you can see so now first we have to choose the trend line. Sorry. Okay. So like that we are going to connect all support line. takes a little bit time. Okay, sorry. Now I connected all the support line. This is support line and this is resistance line. The same logic here also we are going to apply. So these all are resistance. This is the support line and we have drawn a triangle. End of the battle, the buyers have won the battle and the market went up from here to here. Here the price was something around 137. Here it is 186. Okay. And third one we have taken Lawson and Tubro LNT. Actually this is a historic chart. One day candle we have chosen and we have to find out the triangle pattern here. So this is the area I have identified as a triangle pattern. Okay, February 2020. Okay, first to draw a triangle pattern we have to choose the trend line. Here you see. I am going to connect all resistance. So this is the resistance area and next one is I am going to connect all support line. Okay. Now we have framed a triangle on the chart. So this is called a triangle pattern. So first once if you look at the chart, you have to identify the pattern, whether it is triangle pattern or it is cup and handle or W pattern or M pattern, double top. So these are things once if you look at the chart, immediately you have to identify the pattern. Then only you can trade accordingly. So here there is a formation of triangle. Okay. And these all are resistance area 1, 2, 3 and 4. Likewise, these are support area, you can see. Okay, so we have connected resistance and support. Next one is here price, you can choose it 1600. Okay, like that here it is 1500. You can see this is 1500. Here it is almost 1400 because of sellers pressure. Sellers have put more pressure. They have brought down the market from 1600, 1500, 1400. Likewise, the buyers, they have put more pressure to push up the counter. Here it is almost 1200. You can see here it is 1300. Here it is 1350. Let us put it as a third point. Okay, so there is a pressure from the buyer side. They have pushed up the market from 1200 to 1350. Likewise, the sellers, they have brought down the market from 1600 to 1400. Okay, so end of the episode, end of the battle, the sellers, they have won the battle and the market has come down drastically. From 1300 to it has come down to 800 rupees. Okay, so this is the third example chart of triangle pattern. Okay. One second. And next one, fourth one, what we are going to see is Bank Nifty. Okay, this is a chart of Bank Nifty. The same model I am going to draw a triangle pattern. Here I have seen the triangle pattern. Here you can see. Okay. This is the one resistance line. And this is the support line. Okay. The line should be very clear. Okay. Now there is a formation of triangle pattern in Bank Nifty. Here these are resistance area 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay. Like that these are support area. Here also there is a battle. You can see buyers, they have put more pressure to push down the bank nifty, and sellers they have put more pressure to push down the counter, as well as buyers they have put more effort to push up the bank nifty counter. End of the battle, the buyers have won the battle, and this is the way the market has gone up. Okay, this is the fourth one we have seen. I think almost you have understand the concept of triangle pattern. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Okay, still if you are not a subscriber channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Below there is a subscribe button. Just hit the button so that the future videos will get immediately.